Hello student, today we learn next part, that is the metals and properties of that. See, substances like copper, gold, iron, aluminum are called metals, and metals are found in the form of minerals deep inside the earth, and minerals from the earth's crust are processed to obtain the metal. And in daily life, metals have various important uses, and let us study some common properties of metals. See, properties of metals. First one given is that on hammering repeatedly, the wire becomes flat. See, in this picture, this shown that when we hammering repeatedly means frequently, then that iron becomes flat, and metals can be converted into sheets by hammering, and this property of metals is called metability. See, metability means the property of metals to be converted into sheets is called metability. Then see on next page, that is a second property, that the ductility. See here, hot iron is hammered and made into a thin sheets, and visit a blacksmith shop to observe how this hammering causes, and it is to stretch. An iron bars made to resolve continuously, and while being hammered became longer, and the iron can be drawn into wire. That's the property is the ductile, and ductility the property of metal by which they can be stretched and drawn into wires. It's called ductility. See, in the picture given there is a copper, and from that copper metal we have drawn wires, and this property is called ductility. Okay student, this is the second property of metal. First one is the malleability, that means it converted into sheets. Then the third property is that electrical connectivity. See, electricity flows through metals, and all metals are conductors of electricity to a greater or lesser extent. This property is called electric conductivity. That property also metal have. Then the thermal conductivity. See, the property to carry heat. The property to carry heat is called thermal conductivity, and all metals are good conductors of heat, showing that heat flows through metals. See, metals have a typical shine or luster, and every metal has a characteristics color by which it can be identified, and these are all the properties of metals, that are malleability, ductility, then electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity. These are all properties of metals. Okay student. And see, on the page number 39, they are given some uses, as well as there is another property of metal is that sonority. Sonority means metals produce a ringing sound. This property is called a sonority of metal. See, plug the string of a musical instrument like tanpura or veena. You know that. Ring a bell, or hit a steel box with a metal spoon. That also we get sound. And strike a wooden table or a marble floor with a wooden stick. Note the difference in the sounds produced in the two cases. See, a wooden table, it is not of metal. When we plug the string of a musical instrument, then we get a ring bell sound, and that property metals produce a ringing sound, and this property is called a sonority of metals. And this is next property of metals. See, on the page number 40, they are given which points we have learned. Always remember that also given, that is during the rainy season or at any other time, do not touch the exposed electric wires or metal parts. Okay, these are all instructions for you students. And there what we have learned also given, that is solids, liquids and gases are three states of substances, and the temperature of a substance can be measured with the help of a thermometer that we have learned. Then heat is a cause of a change of a state of a substance, it is also we have learned. Then the substances have various properties like hardness, elasticity, brittleness, fluidity, density, as well as solubility and transparency. And metals form a separate group of substances. And metals have some common properties like malleability, ductility, then thermal conductivity, electric conductivity, sonority, and we have learned that it have a specific luster and characteristics of also color. That are all we have learned in this chapter, chapter number 5th, and today this chapter is completed. So we will stop here.